Sweetheart, this is a terrible idea. Hey everybody, welcome back to Everyday Barbecue. That was my most embarrassing opener yet, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. So hey, today I'm doing a quick, easy breakfast recipe for you. Let me tell you why. This is being filmed the weekend before a holiday weekend. I try not to talk about holidays to set timelines during videos, but next weekend is Father's Day. And those of you that know me know how important my family life is to me and how much I love my kids. So I didn't want to have to skip a week on you guys. I know a lot of you guys wait for my videos on Saturday mornings, but I wanted to be able to spend that time with my kids. So the weekend before, I'm filming twice. Shot Friday night, Saturday, today's Sunday, the Sunday before Father's Day, and I wanted to put something together for you. And you know what? You're gonna love this. This is a sandwich that probably every one of us has eaten at some point in our life. How much do you guys like the McDonald's Egg McMuffin? It's my favorite breakfast sandwich, and I'm not gonna bore you with what I have here. You know the ingredients are simple. We're gonna get outside of the Blackstone and we're gonna make this sandwich. I'm gonna recreate this for you right now. Let's get outside, let's get started. All right, so I've got the griddle preheated. And I think the thing that's gonna take the longest to do is probably the egg. So we've got one of these egg rings here that I picked up last night. And it's supposed to be non-stick, but we're not gonna take any chances. Go just a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, not much. All right, let's get that Canadian bacon on. We'll go right about there. We need room for our basting lid. And while that's going, we've got our English muffin here, and there's a little bit of butter on both sides. We're going to go ahead and give this muffin a nice light toast. There's some butter on the inside there. Now let's get this egg cooked. Canadian bacon looks great. Muffins look really good. We're going to flip over onto this side, get a little toast on that bottom right before we go ahead and build this. Alright guys, everything looks like it's good. Let's go ahead and build us this muffin. Got a nice toast on that bottom. There goes our cheese. Time for that top. Man, that smells delicious. I'm not going to cut this in half, guys. You don't get it like that at McDonald's. I'm just going to go ahead, take a bite out of this bad boy. Cheers. Look at that. Man, that's spot on. I know it's an easy recipe, but I'm going to tell you what. One thing I noticed one day when I was at McDonald's, and I was watching them put these together, is that buttering on the inside of the top and bottom of this English muffin. That really just finishes this thing off. And a lot of people don't even know that that happens, but it does. And I really think it just adds a whole nother element to the sandwich. But look, I'm hungry. We kind of went with a late breakfast today so that I could do this for you guys. I know it's a simple video. I hope you're cool with this. But I hope you'll try this too if you've got a cast iron pan inside or you've got a griddle outside like I've got. You know, speaking of griddles, We finally partnered with Blackstone Products, the maker of the Blackstone Griddle that I use, and you can get 10% off on their website if you use the discount code EverydayBBQ. So it's just Everyday BBQ together, no dashes, no spaces. You get 10% off anything on their site. Just mentioning it, if you're not in the market for that, certainly don't bother. If you are, check that out. It's a good way to go ahead and, save a few bucks. Sometimes Amazon, I'll be honest, has prices better, so make sure you check both spots, okay? And I'll have links down in the description either way. So look, I've already talked about Father's Day today in this video, so I might as well go ahead and just move on with that. I hope all you dads have a really good Father's Day. Spend time with your kids, do what you love with who you love. Cheers, blessings. I'll see you guys on the next episode.